Okay, situation now here is like we are not allowed to go near that bridge. Cops are not allowing to get down at Dudhsagar station. Hello and welcome back guys. Hope you guys are doing well. So right now I'm in BMTC and heading towards Majestic railway station, and from there using metro I'll be going to Yeshwantpur railway station as we have train from Yeshwantpur. We have reached Yeshwantpur railway station. I'm just in time, 5 minutes before the train start time. Train starts exactly at 2:30 from this railway station. This is the train that we have to board. This is Yeshwantpur Vasco Express, which starts from Yeshwantpur at 2:30. So the time is 2:45 p.m. and my plan is to have something at Arsikere station. We get very good idlis at Arsikere station. After that I will be sleeping as I need to get up early tomorrow as train halts at Kesselog station at midnight 3 a.m. and somewhere around 3:30 a.m. we might need to get down at Dudhsagar station, and also we have to trek for around 15 to 20 kilometers tomorrow, so sleep is very important. Guys, I'm somewhere in between jungle. I have got down here. I'm not sure what to do next. So I am somewhere in between Dudhsagar and Sonaliam station, and I'm going towards the viewpoint. This is how the scene is.
A few moments later.
So guys, this is Dudhsagar. Okay, so this way we head towards Dudhsagar, and this way is the Sonaliam, the next station after Dudhsagar. So one station after Dudhsagar towards this side is Karanjol, where train won't stop, and trekking here is not allowed. Cops are very strict. Somehow we managed. Okay, situation now here is like we are not allowed to go near that bridge, and whoever is going near that bridge, cops are sending us back. um, Actually the view towards that side is good, but we are not allowed to trek this side, so we all have to trek this side for towards Kollam, which is like 12 kilometers from here, and board a train from there. So this is where the landslide had happened last time, and Dudhsagar was closed. That is the Dudhsagar. So though cops are not allowing us to go near the waterfalls on that bridge, we still decided to take a chance and let's see how our luck is. So just after this tunnel, we'll be having a view of a Dudhsagar waterfall, and that is where the cops are sitting and sending people towards Goa side, that is Sonaliam. So that's the bridge I was talking about, and that is where the cops are also sitting and sending people back from here itself. So after a lot of requests, cops allowed us to go near that bridge. It's just that we are given only a 5 minutes of time. After that, we have to leave from that bridge and continue our drive.
ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು.
So somehow we got a chance to go trek towards Castle Rock, and right now we are approaching Dudhsagar. It's very nearby. It's just like 800 meters from here, so you can see the view over here. That's a tunnel. So to reach Dudhsagar, you have to take a train from Yashwantpur. Okay, the train starts exactly at 2:30. That will be the source station, and by 3 o'clock it will reach a Castle Rock station. And after Castle Rock, you'll be having 3 stations in this guard section. One being Karanjal, which is before Dudhsagar. This is a Dudhsagar station, and somewhere there in the mountain there will be a third station, that is Sonaliam. So these 3 stations are in 4-kilometer radius. So Dudhsagar being the station in between. Okay, so from Dudhsagar you have to start trekking towards this side. After crossing this tunnel, you'll see a Dudhsagar, and again you have to go further to see Dudhsagar from a viewpoint. However, be informed that cops are not allowing to get down at Dudhsagar station, because there were like close to 400 to 500 people getting down at this station. We also got down here, and after a lot of requests we got to trek this side as well. Earlier they were not allowing to trek this side. They're asking to go to the station which is in the Goa border, that is Kulem. But we had a ticket from Castle Rock, so we requested cops that we have a ticket from there and let us trek this side. And believe us, we are only 5 people who are trekking there, and look at the 4 people who are taking a photos over there. So talking about the cost for Dudhsagar here will be like the train ticket till Castle Rock from Yashwantpur is 350, so close to 700 will be the budget to for a train ticket. Another thing that I wanted to add is about the trek distance from Castle Rock. From Dudhsagar to reach Castle Rock, it is close to like 15 kilometers, and from Dudhsagar to Kulem, where train actually stops for passengers, is like 12 to 13 kilometers. And I would recommend, if you are coming here, even though it is not allowed, if you are coming trek towards Kulem, because that is the easy path. However, this trekking towards Castle Rock is a little bit adventurous, wherein you get to see 2 bridges and all, which is not the case if you trek towards Kulem. The other way to come to Dudhsagar station legally is, what I can say is, coming through Goa Tourism Department. So you can directly go to Kulem station. Right now that is also not on because of river being flooded, and those guys bring you to Dudhsagar's waterfalls through a car. So what happens is, you can directly come to Kulem station, and just near the Kulem station only there will be a taxis that are tied up with forest department, and they'll take you to Dudhsagar station through a jeep. It will also be a fun. Having said that, you'll have to pay 500 rupees per head, and you also have to carry or take a life jacket which they'll provide, and it will be compulsory, which will cost another 50 rupees. And secondary is that once you reach Dudhsagar waterfalls, they'll only just give you 45 minutes to do whatever you want and then come back to the jeep. So that is the legal way of coming to Dudhsagar. But trekking is something that people love, and this is what I can say is fun actually. So trains keep on crossing here. I've made a pipeline, the water flowing from mountain, I guess. It's near Dudhsagar station only, and this is how you have to drink. Carry enough water, otherwise it's gonna be very difficult. I was saying, if you start trekking towards Castle Rock, there won't be any shelter. Like, you have to walk in below the sun, so it will be very tiring actually. But that will not be the same case if you are walking towards Kulem. There is a banana tree over here. Look how beautiful it is. A forest banana is what we can call. So they have made this protection kind of thing to avoid landslide.
ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಆಗೋ ಥರನೂ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಾರೆ. ಮನೆಯವ್ರು ಇಷ್ಟು ಥರ ಫೋನೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಹಿಂಗೆ? ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ?
हिंदी बोलो.
कहाँ तक जाओगे ऐसे ही? मतलब ये काम करते दूध सागर तक जाओगे?
सागर पार करके जाएंगे.
ये डेली का काम होता है क्या?
काम.
डेली का? बाप रे. डेली और इतना धूप में?
इतना धूप में काम भी करना पड़ता है.
इसको बोलते हैं गवर्नमेंट जॉब.
गवर्नमेंट जॉब, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट जॉब.
सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट जॉब.
बेकार है ये डिपार्टमेंट, अपना डिपार्टमेंट.
अच्छा.
डेली हमको 14-15 किलोमीटर चलना ही पड़ता है.
14-15 किलोमीटर डेली?
डेली
16 किलोमीटर ट्रैक में.
और खाना भी ना?
खाना वाना लेके जाना.
खाना लेके चलना है. पानी भी लेके चलना है.
तो इधर उधर मिल जाता है.
हाँ.
खाना लेके चलना.
पानी मतलब इधर उधर मतलब दूध
दूध
ओके. वहाँ तक आप पानी ही नहीं पियोगे? आप शुरू कहाँ से किए?
उधर अभी इधर से 2 किलोमीटर आगे से.
करंजल.
नहीं करंजल.
हाँ
ये जो टनल है ना आगे
ओके ओके
35-200 से स्टार्ट.
ओके ओके. आपका ड्यूटी वैसा डिज़ाइन रहता है क्या? 35-200 से स्टार्ट करना?
एक एरिया रहता है.
ओके, एक एरिया.
उसका अंदर.
और एक एक बंदे को 15 किलोमीटर का एरिया?
नहीं
हाँ?
अप डाउन होते रहता है ऐसे 15 किलोमीटर.
ओके.
अप डाउन करते करते
यहाँ पर जंगल में एनिमल वगैरह नहीं है क्या?
है ना.
बहुत
आप देखे हो कोई?
टाइगर है, भालू है.
टाइगर, भालू,
हाँ.
टाइगर,
है.
लेपर्ड भी है.
ಲೆಪರ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇದೆ.
हाँ
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಪರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ.
हाँ.
ಟೈಗರ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
इधर है डाउट नहीं है. नाइट में केपिले ಇದ್ದಂತೆ.
KP ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವ್ರು ನೋಡಿದಾರೆ ಅಂತಿದಾರಲ್ಲ.
ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
नाइट में दिखाई देता है.
ಓ ಕರಡಿ.
आप लोग कहाँ से?
हाँ अದೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. हाँ बेंगलुरु से.
बेंगलोर से.
हाँ आप कहाँ से हो?
हम तो कलकत्ता.
कलकत्ता. आप बिहार. कलकत्ता बिहार से, वहाँ से यहाँ पोस्टिंग. बाप रे. ये आपका क्या काम रहता है ये?
ये
मतलब
पूरा फिटिंग देखना, किधर का डिस्टर्ब है क्या चेक करना.
ಓ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ हो गया क्या?
हाँ हाँ.
कब?
ये बारिश हुआ ना बराबर.
23 जुलाई
23 जुलाई. वो दूध सागर के उधर भी हुआ था क्या? 2 जगह?
2 जगह नहीं 4 जगह हुआ है.
4 जगह?
एक ही डेट में 4 जगह हुआ.
एक ही डेट में 4 जगह?
लैंड स्लाइड हो गया तो कितना दिन चाहिए क्लियर करने के लिए?
ऐसे वो कितना गिरता है उसी हिसाब से.
वो कितना दिन लिया आप?
ये वाला.
हाँ
ये वाला तो ज़्यादा नहीं, 2 दिन में हो जाता है.
2 दिन, सिर्फ 2 दिन में clear.
वो ही आता ना
हिटाची.
बुलडोजर हिटाची आता इसको हटाने के लिए.
ಓಕೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇಟಾಚಿ ನಾವು.
ಈಗ ಇದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ 2 days ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ 2 days ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳಿ.
ट्रेन तो स्टॉप ही रहेगा ना अगर ऐसा हो गया था. और वो पैसेंजर्स जो फंसे हुए ट्रेन में वो हुआ था ना?
हाँ वो रिटर्न गया था.
दूसरा ट्रेन आया था उनको ले जाने को. ओके.
आपका नाम है?
हाँ?
आपका नाम?
नाम खोकन.
हुकुन.
खोकन.
खोकन, कोलकाता. अखिलेश कुमार बिहार.
ठीक है भैया.
नाम नहीं आता बोलने का.
ठीक है भैया, थैंक यू.
थैंक यू.
We found one small waterfalls here and we are finding a shortcut to reach there. It's here, so it is a bit slippery. Oh, I got it in camera. The whole purpose of me coming for nth time to Dudhsagar was all because of this. So what happens usually here is so this is what the cop was also saying there when we were near Dudhsagar. I couldn't fly the drone more here because of the number of. There's one more bridge over there, that is where we was there. Saying goodbye to this beautiful falls and continuing the trek. 5 hours to reach Karanjal station. So 7.29 kilometers is what we have to trek again. It is filled of this type of waterfalls. Only those. So from tunnel number 15 to tunnel number 3, we have reached tunnel number 3. So there is a hanging bridge over here. Let's see. We have almost reached this Castle Rock station. The time is like